Welcome back, guys. So I got viewers that they want me to do this air Foamposite wand. This is the Doernbecher's 15th anniversary. So this one is the air Foamposite wand premium Doernbecher freestyle. It is retail for $230. It was dropped back in February of 21st, 2019. Which is only a couple days ago. The style number is 641745-600. Colorway is challenge red/black color. So this one is in celebration of the 15th anniversary of the Doernbecher Freestyle collection. Nike reintroduced Elijah Dickens Air Foamposite 1 Premium. As you can see, it comes with this keychain with the tag Elijah Dickens tag right here, and it has a ED initial right here, which is pretty nice. And on the side of this midsole, the plate right here, it is carbon fiber, and this is what it looks like on the bottom of the outsole. So this piece is like carbon fiber. Got the pull tab on the front, which is on the top of the tongue. And then on the back of the heel cup, there's another pull tab. I know the mid tab is kind of hard to put in the shoes. So it is good that they come with both of the pull tab. Wow, look at the insole. So it says Elijah Dickens and ED initial right there. And there his symbol. And I guess that's an ED design. So it says latitude and longitude on the right hand side of the insole. So here's the key ring right here for your keychain, and it comes with the black lace. So yeah, on the outer midsole, it is black. On the other side, the outsole, it is in red. On the rear pull tab, you see you got the Elijah Dickens over there on both pull tabs. And then on the rear heel cup, you got the ED initial right there on both sides. So I'm not sure they try to design this as like a flame or something, that black and red. Because it's fire. So yeah, this one is a pretty shiny red and black finish. Mostly red. Let's go and then check on StockX, see how much it's going for. So $230, probably are looking around almost $250. Wow. The resale value is you're getting at this double, which is pretty awesome. And then this is a size 9, going for highest bid $900. Wow. So let's click on the sizes and see. Size 6, 1500, 6.5, $690, 7 is $799. It seems like most of the small sizes get the resale value, and then big sizes. 14 is going for $700, 15 $725, 10 and a half is $748. So if you got anything above 600, I guess all the sizes is going for that price, so which is a pretty good investment if you got a pair. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.